My name is Sebastian with AI Videos Pro, and I would like to let you in on something pretty great from the Green Clean Institute. This won't take but a minute, but I know this is crazy good. After some talks with people in the cleaning and building maintenance industry, we found out something most people miss. You guys are super busy, and you may not be able to keep up with the kind of innovative marketing that the big boys are using. When I approached the Green Clean Institute to help promote their fantastic janitorial training and certification program, they kind of turned the tables on me. They asked, "While we are promoting our certification program for cleaning services, why not get double the value by including our real-life partners in the field?" Well, that got things going in a big way. So we committed to doing 2 unique businesses every week to see how it goes. Here is the deal I offered to GCI. I charge at least $1,000 per video that includes scripting, development, editing, and posting the video with a lot of SEO marketing tools that will get videos in front of a lot of eyes. The folks at GCI wanted more. They wanted each video to be super localized to the city of the service. That way, the videos will be mostly seen at the top of the search engine for that city. Genius, really. So, we are in the early stage of this, but let me tell you, once one of our highly marketed videos goes up, it is going to work 24/7 for years. They are like a huge billboard on a major highway of your town. Instead of a highway, our videos show up on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other popular platforms. But they are always working to identify new customers for your cleaning service. Now, you are not going to believe this, and I know that this offer will be much in demand. We are creating 1 large video and 3 shorts or reels for each order. Your company will get a lot of exposure that way, and my team geolocates the ads specifically for your city. That gets you an amazing amount of local exposure. But why is the Green Clean Institute making this offer? Well, it's great marketing for them too. Their green cleaning certification will show up everywhere as well. And I can't imagine that any successful building service wouldn't want to get their GCI green certification and their federally trademark logo that sets your company apart from all the rest. So, here's the deal. At 2 videos a week, we have 100 sponsored slots for you guys. And then, you will need to call me direct at AI Videos Pro and pay for your videos, while your competitors are already hearing their phones ringing. Check out our sample videos on this page, and if you're smart, you'd better get Candace on the phone to schedule your slot before the offer runs out. Remember, if you snooze, you lose.